How to remove chat filter in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Roblox account. Then on the top right hand side corner, you would be able to find the option of settings. Simply select it, then wait for it to load. Over here, select the option of privacy and content restrictions. Then select the option of communication. And here you get this option of experience chat. Make sure that you have selected everyone over here and get back and select party over here. Then select connections in both these options. And this way you would be able to remove the chat filter. And this is how you do it. If the option is not there, this simply means that Roblox doesn't want you to have chat filter removed in your region. And it depends on region to region, by the way. So just use VPN and you would be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.